If you don't know how to wrap a Christmas present, go ahead and save this video because I'm about to teach you how step by step. We are using reversible wrapping paper, so you want the pattern facing down. You also want to put your Christmas gift in there facing down as well. Now you want to take the side of the wrapping paper that's already cut and pull it more than halfway over your box. Take the part that's still in the roll and make sure they overlap a good ½ inch. You're going to then cut your wrapping paper along that line. Try to get it as straight as possible. I like to put a scrunchie around the wrapping paper to keep it from unrolling. Next, make sure your present is in the middle of the paper about 4 inches from the bottom. Pull over one side of the wrapping paper and tape it straight to the box. Now, do the exact same thing with the other side. You want to pull it as tight as you can get it without actually ripping the paper. Then we're going to use a piece of tape to connect the two. And you're going to start cutting off the wrapping paper on the opposite end. Remember, you want about 4 inches. All right, here comes the hard part. So I'm going to go slow and use the method my mother taught me. First, you want to push the paper that's in the middle all the way to the box. Use one hand to hold that down. Now use your other hand to make a crisp line coming straight down with the wrapping paper. You also want to push in as you go and keep that line as straight as possible. Fold it to the middle. Use your fingers to keep your progress in place and add a piece of tape on the fold you just made. As you see, the other side is already wanting to fold on its own. Go ahead and give it a nice sharp edge. Pull it in and it's going to make that nice little point. Now another piece of tape to keep the new fold right in place. Look at that beautiful point you've just made. You want to pull it up and back towards the bottom of your present. Remember, this is the underside people don't see. Seal it off with some tape. That's it. The hard part is done. So now it's time to accessorize. Go ahead and take some ribbon and wrap it around your present 3 times for length. Roll over some tape so both sides are sticky. Go ahead and add it to the middle of your ribbon, and this is how we're going to cheat. We are going to tape the ribbon to the back of the box to make it easier. Then we're going to flip it over and start tying it just like we would tie our shoe. You want this ribbon to be extremely tight against the gift, and the easiest way to do that is to cheat again and go ahead and tape down the middle. Don't worry if you can see the tape at this time, it'll disappear under the bow. And now you make a bow, just like you tie your shoes, bunny in the hole, whatever you do. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to wrap a Christmas gift. If you found this helpful, go ahead and send it to a friend.